Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're looking at a broken antenna on the belly of an aircraft. And this is a transponder antenna. More specifically, it's a little transponder stick. And this is one of the hazards of washing your airplane. You're rolling around on the ground, you're not looking up at the airplane, and you'll snap this antenna right off. We try to carry a couple of spares because it does happen to the best of owners, and it happened to this group, so we're fixing that today. But just wanted to call this out. When you're on the belly of the airplane, you always want to be very careful of all the antennas that stick down, because it's really easy to damage them. So we hope you found this useful. I'd like to thank you for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.